Hello, hi traders. Today I done some compounding trades with pure candlestick psychology. So I will show some examples here. So what I have, so what first thing what I have seen here is it's a breakout of this falling wedge channel. So after breakout, buyers wanted to go up in this direction. So already market wanted to go up. So when market cross this and when market break this channel, market went up because of the SNR seller center. So after seller center, we can expect another buyer center, but instead of buyer seller center again with new low, okay, with the new low again seller center. So it confirms that market wanted to go down. So I placed a put option here. So it gave me a profit. So second trade was, so actually after this candle we can expect a bias because there is a SNR level here too, and there is a round number too. So we can expect a bias, but instead of bias again we saw a sellers. So it's a strong sellers Marubozu, and here also we can see some this one SNR. So again bias entry. So again bias entry. Already we know here there is a seller, there is a SNR. So because of this rejection, because of this domination of sellers against sellers entry. So one thing we can see here is it getting consolidation from here to here. How means it made a new low. Okay, it making new lows from this point. But here it made a new high. And again it made a new high. So in three candles we can see uptrend only. I mean market wants it to go down, more, go up, but here market want to go down. So seller center. So when I saw this one, I thought it will go down, but when I see this up wicks, it making highs, so I thought it will go up and it getting consolidation. So again it's a bias. So after that I waited for here because of the Marubozu and because breakout of this level, sellers may enter. And maybe because of this double bottom formation, buyers may enter. But I waited here. So after this one also, I can see new high only. And again, market didn't made a new low, any new low, and it getting rejected from this point. And if you see, this is a bullish angle, and it's a minor uptrend too. So again, I placed a higher option. So market making pattern also, as well as buyers, sellers, buyers, sellers, buyers, sellers, buyers, sellers, and again buyers. So again a seller. So here it broke that pattern. So but instead of sellers again we can see some buyers because of it's a weak candle. Plus if we draw a line, it will be the trend line. It will be the buyer's entry point. So again buyer's entry strongly. So again buyers. So in this way we can trade here. So this is the simple topic. And one more thing is some people have doubt how to draw trend line. Trend line is like this one. Okay. So trend line like this, and it's close near to this level. So now there is a chance to enter buyers now. See, already buyers are entering, but always enter with confirmation. As Ebenezer says, Ebenezer brother says, always go with confirmation. This one, these two, already we are seeing this confirmation. So it will be, if we take here, it will be latent because of it's a strong candle. So if we break this pattern, this bullish upper wedge, if market breaks this bullish upper wedge, then we can trade as entry point after breakout of the level. After breakout of the wick, we can enter with seller. So again after breakout of wick, again seller enter. So after breakout of this channel only, we can trade as an entry point. This is the entry point of trend line. Okay, so it's the simple. see here buyers enter. So this candle confirms that market wants to go up. So after this candle we can expect a buyer. See, this all are today trades, and this one I will show why I lost. See, this one is the trade which I took. See, this is the trade. So after this one I thought it will go down because of the downtrend. So when I was watching it making new lows only, but here it made a new high. But here it made a new high, and already we know this is a SNR, and it's a strong buyers area too because of the strong candle. So because of that one, buyers enter. So because of that only I lost here, and again here also I placed here a put option, but instead of put up by seller, but again buyers enter. So here also it made like a bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, like that only. Again it made like that only. So only don't place your trades on consultation area or in this pattern also. If you people see sellers buyers, so stop there itself. Don't go for further. If you go for further, you can't able to trade. See here it didn't made a new high and new low also. I thought it will go down, but here again a buyer center and again it continues. So don't trade on consolidation area.